Yes, yes. Yes, sir, I can hear you. Sure. No, don't need to connect your laptop. You can just share your screen from the display itself. Just come to near to the display. One click option is there. Share. Click on Zoom screen only. On the down, you will get share option. Yeah, click on share and scroll it. It will give you a screen option. Click on a screen. I will be able to see the TV screen here. And
Share whiteboard. Sorry.
no, screen only.
No other.
Fine.
Now can you able to see?
Yes, yes, I can see.
Ma'am, my
Okay. Hello. Good evening, sir. Yeah. So basically, we have connected this device on top of your non-touch display. This device is called Bird Hub, and basically, Bird AI is our brand name. Bird AI's parent company is called Cybernetics. Have you heard about Cybernetics anymore? Okay, so I will just take your 2 minutes of time to explain you like what cybernetics is and when we have found this company. So cybernetics is a basically German based company founded in 2009, and we are a global leader to provide interactive sensors and screens. So basically we are like previously majorly focusing on the education sector. Cybernetics is basically for the education part. Now recently after COVID we have launched Bird AI for the enterprise and corporate segment for the VC solution. So the device you are able to see on top of the TV, which has interactive sensor as well as inbuilt camera and microphone, and the device inbuilt has Android operating system that doesn't require any external laptop or a PC to be connected for running your any VC application. So right now we have not connected anything with your display, only this device is running, and inside the compute is there that is running to run your VC applications. Right now I have connected on a Zoom, and sir is sharing the screen. I'm able to see the same screen on my laptop, right? So there are lot of features are there. Basically this device is two-way collaborative screen you will provide you. So whatever the things you are writing on your screen, the same thing as remote participants will be able to see. Basically what is happening on other VC applications, you can do only video calling and audio part, not the interactivity, right? You can't touch on the screen, you can't write on top of the your PPT presentations what you are explaining to the remote participants. But here you can use everything without the need of any third party laptop or a PC or VC, right? Sir, I'll just request you to touch on the screens. I will click on this AI canvas. I will guide you where you have to touch and what functions it will be there. So this is the basic whiteboard canvas. For example, you are running your presentations and wants to write, annotate on top of the presentation. So you can use this AI canvas. This is collaborative screen basically. Just click on this new canvas, confirm. So here you can see the whiteboard is on your screen. You can write on this screen. You can run your presentation inside the like whiteboard also, and you can do the annotations on top of that. So how you can upload your PPTs here? So there is option called import media wirelessly. So from anywhere in the world you are sitting, you can upload your PPT here and you can run. So can you just click on this plus icon, sir, on the toolbar?
Yeah.
Not this one, sir. On the toolbar, you can see one colored four cubes are there. Beside that, one plus icon is there. On this,
Yeah.
yeah, just click on import media wirelessly. So here what it will do, it will give you one QR code plus link and one global access code. So from sitting here, I can upload my PPTs in your screen. The same way you can also upload your PPTs on the screen, right? So here you can see this link is coming and this code is there. So I'm going to upload one file from my laptop and you will be able to see the same screen on your canvas. 7ZY, yes. When you will click on that, like go on the link or enter the code, or you can just scan this QR code from your mobile phone also, it will give you an upload option. So from there you can directly upload any of the file. I can just upload one image here and the same image will be visible on your TV screen. So here you can see on the back one image is there. Can you just cross this? Now you can see this image I have uploaded from here, from my laptop, and you will be able to see on the screen, and you can also write on top of it. You can increase or decrease the size. You can do everything, whatever you want to do here. Yeah, you can click on this pen icon and you can write on top of it also. This, right? So this way, this is called a two-way, like import media wireless, where you can upload your any document from anywhere in the world you are sitting, right? The same way you can also upload your content from your mobile phone, from your laptop. Even like if you are sitting in the one meeting room, everyone wants to you are doing one presentation, for example, you are doing a weekly review for your sales team, for example, and everyone has to share their presentation, their closer or anything. So they don't need to go one by one, they don't need to connect their laptop. They can just directly click on import media wirelessly, import their PPTs there, and start annotating and then using on top of it, right? So easiest way to do this. Another best feature what we have in the device, just can you just click on this share option, sir? Here, so this is our two-way collaboration screen. So what it will do, again the QR link and code is there. So the same whiteboard you can access from anywhere in the world. You can, the same whiteboard you can access from your mobile phone, from your laptop. So right now again I'm going to use my browser, and the same code is there. Code will not change if you will not go out from this whiteboard. Okay. It will ask you to join, right? You can see my name is appearing here. The same whiteboard I am able to see in my screen, and I can also write on the same page where you are presenting your presentations with the name, right? So this is called a two-way collaboration. What is happening in general when you are conducting your meeting on Zoom, you, who is the initiator, they can only present, they can only write on the content, right? But what about the remote participants? They can only sit and then see. They can't collaborate on that, they can't share their ideas, they can't ask any questions, they can't highlight there. They can ask the questions but on a verbal way only, right? Don't need, they can't write on the screen and annotations and all, they can't do anything. But here you will get this feature where remote participant also can interact on the same platform. Now here you will get this share option again. On the top you can see share canvas as PDF. After the meeting, your meeting is end, the same content you wants to save for your future reference and wants to share with your remote participants who are joining with your client or anyone, you just click on this. It will convert your all the pages into a PDF format, and you can share it like with the same QR and link. Don't need to download, just share that QR, they will be able to download it. Here you can add n number of pages, just like we are annotating on the one page, you can add another page also. So here you can see one by one option is there. Can you just please click on this again plus icon, it will add the another page. So for example, you are writing on the one whiteboard screen, it got full, so you don't need to erase everything, you can add another page. What is happening on the meeting, you are using normal marker whiteboard, you are writing there and then erasing and then again writing, whatever that you have written previously it goes off, right? So if you want to like discuss on the same thing, you have to again write the same thing, but here it is not, you can change the pages accordingly. Yeah. Now this is all about this whiteboard canvas, the two-way collaboration collaborative screen. Just go on this back, sir. Apart from this, we already have some preloaded softwares installed on the VC solutions called Zoom, Microsoft Team, Google Meet. All the things are inbuilt on it. Just go on the home page, sir. Click on launcher, click on home. Yes. So here you can see this is the home launcher, basically UI. Preloaded softwares are there: Zoom, Microsoft Team, Google Meet. These general tools. If you are using some other VC applications, you can directly download it. We have inbuilt Play Store options. From there, you can download the your applications and then conduct your meetings. Casting
Can,
option.
can I,
Yes.
can I share a view of my screen and can we rotate on that?
Of course, the same you are doing right now. You are sharing your screen only. I am able to see from my laptop, from the Zoom itself, and you are annotating on top of that. I am able to see. Yeah. The same thing your remote participants also can do. That I showed you through this whiteboard canvas from my laptop. I was able to I was writing on that, and you are able to see on your screen. Correct. That is called a two-way collaboration. This thing none of the like other company can provide. They can only give you the camera and microphone, that's it. None no collaboration, no two-way collaboration will happen, right? So also it has a miracast feature. Yes, sir.
Can this camera one here?
uh, Camera one, like
Cam is
remote participants video. Yeah, if I'll turn on my camera, then only you will be able to see. But I'm working from home, unfortunately. Sorry, I'll not be able to turn on my camera.
nice to our camera. There was a auto zoom
Yes, that I will show you. Just give me a moment. That I will show you from here. Yeah. And from the other features, what is here in the device, that just two more features I'll explain. It is casting. So miracast you can do if you are using Mac, then don't need to download any application, directly you can cast, or from the mobile also, right? This name will come. If you wants to try, you can try from your mobile also right now. Android, Windows, anything you can cast, sir. Okay, it doesn't mean like I told AirPlay option. Any of the device you have, you can directly cast your screen.
yeah, even I can pause my
Yes. Okay. For checking the camera, I'll, yeah, accept it. Now you can see your mobile phone. I think you have casted, right? Or application. Yeah. Apart from that, if you want to write on top of your casting also, it pen icon will come on top, so you can write on top of that also. Like this, some other casting applications are not allowing this, like you have to operate from your mobile or from your laptop only, but here you can write also on this casting screen. You can see on the top one pen icon is there. You can click on it and yeah, you can click on it and you will be able to write on this screen also, right? So if you are presenting from your mobile also, you will be able to annotate. You can take a screenshot of this and it will automatically redirect you on the whiteboard side. So you can save and you can share with your participants, or you can save for your preference also.
So that's what like there is a one picture where I can camera.
Yeah, that yes, camera icon is for a screenshot only. Click on it, it will automatically take a screenshot. Yeah, just cross it, this is screen sharing. From the display also you can, if you cross icon, if you click, it will stop sharing your screen. Okay, now to check the camera, I'll just request you to open this apps option. Open camera.